Are you in a stressful job wondering if you can ever retire? It can feel daunting looking at those savings calculators and scenarios that show just how much you need to save to leave your job and be financially independent. But if you look at the big picture a little differently, it might not quite be as hard as you think. I'm Lori, an advice-only financial planner at Abundo Wealth. We want you to experience financial independence in a way that's both achievable and meaningful to you. What is financial independence? There's a lot of definitions out there, but let's keep things simple. Financial independence means you're able to choose how you spend your time without feeling like you have to earn money. And that doesn't mean you have to stop working completely. If you love how you spend your time and enjoy your job, and it covers the bills and your lifestyle, you can be financially independent. If retiring early is your goal, awesome. But when we talk to clients who want to retire early, often we see they just don't like their current job. And the FIRE movement has inspired their escape plan. And digging a little deeper, they might tell us it's not that they don't want to work, it's that they want to do something they like. They basically want a better way to spend their time. The key is defining the life you want to live and start planning and working towards that now. And reframing the retire early mindset is also a way to supercharge the path to financial independence. Your savings goal may be a little less than you think. For example, let's say you need $80,000 a year to live the life you want. That's about $2 million saved for that lifestyle in retirement. But if you have a job you absolutely love that pays $40,000 per year, and you can see yourself doing it forever, you can reduce your savings goal by half. It's kind of like the old saying, if you love your job, you'll never work a day in your life. How much you spend is one of the biggest factors in achieving financial independence. Could you be overestimating how much you really need if you're looking at your current costs? How much of your spending is directly related to working a stressful job? Daily lunches, new clothes, gas for commute. These are all expenses you could reduce if you had a job you liked. And second, almost everyone has expenses they could challenge and reduce. Looking closely at your budget and cutting back even 10% has a direct reduction in your financial independence savings goal. And last but not least, how many temporary costs do you have now? If you're paying for daycare or saving for college or even paying for life insurance, those expenses will end at some point and bring down your monthly costs. You may have heard of the 4% rule. It's a guide that's often used to estimate how much you can safely withdraw from a portfolio over 30 years. The 4% rule doesn't take other income sources like Social Security or pensions into account. So if you're retiring at 55, you may only need your portfolio to fully fund maybe 10 to 15 years of expenses before Social Security kicks in. At that point, you would be withdrawing less from your portfolio each year. Even with the uncertainty surrounding future Social Security benefits, ignoring it completely in your plan could cause you to work a little longer than you needed to. Before the Affordable Care Act, health insurance was a major obstacle to leaving your job before Medicare coverage. Health costs are still a big consideration, provide plenty of uncertainty, but there are ways to make buying your own health insurance less scary and more affordable. Premium tax credits can reduce the cost of insurance through the health insurance marketplace for people with low reported incomes. Of course, everyone's case is a little different, but you could access a health plan for a reasonable monthly cost when you qualify for tax credits. Financial independence is as much a state of mind as it is a number on a page. If you feel like you're empowered to choose how you spend your time and enough money is coming in to pay for your lifestyle, then you may have achieved the financial freedom you're looking for. And remember, there's no substitute for a personalized plan. Whether you make one on your own or with the help of a trusted advisor, make sure you're looking at your own situation in detail. The path to success could be more possible than you think. Abundo Wealth is an advice-only financial planning firm on a mission to make low-cost investment and financial advice accessible to everyone. And if you like getting regular tips on practical financial topics, don't forget to like and subscribe.